And welcome everyone again. So guys, today we have this pretty sick tutorial, pretty sick animation, and I already making a tutorial for you, and I'm really happy to make it because this animation is really crazy. It looks very nice, and here a lot of different features. It's very interesting that you can use in your own animations, and you can grow your skill today with me. By the way, this animation I got from my friend, so thank him so much. We have different other animations inside, and all these animations that I've got, he used in this video. It's pretty sick, I like it so much, and thanks him. By the way, his project file you can download over there, so the link will be below. Guys, that's pretty strong knowledge you can get inside, because even this mouse, it works. I don't know, the animation looks really sick. So we are going to open our galaxy ball, it's over here, and guys, we are going to start, I guess, from creating the ball. And as we can see, it's just a ball, but we have this very interesting thing inside it. We have different colors, it looks weird, yeah, but here's the feature. So we will start from creating the new composition. All we need, guys, just to make some ellipses. We will remove the stroke here, and we will just use the fill option. So let's use this color. Guys, colors you can always adjust as you wish. And I've created this ellipse over here, and let's set it to the middle. Okay. And now, guys, let's adjust our anchor point. Let's move it to the left side. Make sure you use snapping. It's much more easier to adjust your layers. And guys, now I've duplicated the first shape layer, and here we are going to make it 3D. So let's find here the 3D mode. Let's use it. And now let's make Y rotation for it. Let it be like this. Also, guys, let's turn back to our shape layer number 1. Probably, guys, let's also adjust the position. Let's make it a bit like this. So let's turn back to our shape layer number 1. One more time, we are adjusting our anchor point, duplicate it once again, and now we are going to make it in 3D. And one more time, making it like this. So let's adjust its position, move it somewhere here. Also, guys, what we are going to do one more time, but now we are going to move it to the top over here. And guys, if you are a beginner in the After Effects and you want to boost your animation skills, just watch the next 10 seconds. I just want to say that if you want to learn After Effects faster, if you are a complete beginner, I made a special tutorial for you. You can now watch different breakdowns and tutorials about After Effects and be closer to me, so we will keep in touch. You can ask me different stuff, about After Effects, everything. So guys, I will just put down below the link on my website, and you can check it out later. And let's make it in 3D once again, and make it like this. Nice, perfect. And let's set it a bit below, somewhere here. We can just duplicate it, and once again adjusting its position, set it somewhere here. It will be pretty nice. And guys, with our first shape layer, we are going to make it as 3D. And now it looks like this. Ctrl D, so we are duplicating it once again. And now we are going to find here the second view from the top. Here we can see it, and now let's move it somewhere here. So we have now these circles like this. We can adjust its colors. So for example, here, guys, look, here we have something like this. So different circles that stays one on each like this, and without this adjustment layer in this like a circle, yeah, we have these circles that rotating like this. So guys, to make everything easier, we just need to make adjustment layer here. And guys, I just copied these effects, and now guys, you can just copy it from me. But I forgot also, we need to make a null object over here. Our null object set it to the middle, and our shape layers we are going to connect to our null. Yeah, perfect. So we also want to make it in 3D, and now guys, let's make an expression for our rotations. We just want to make wiggle. So wiggle here will be 130, wiggle 100, and wiggle to Z rotation 150. And now let's see what we have. Yeah guys, it looks a bit weird still, but it already pretty good. Yeah, that's already the point. Now guys, turn back the turbulent displays. We can also guys adjust the colors here inside, so some make blue, some make white. Probably you can make it a bit better than me because you will have much more time, but I want to make it pretty fast. With different colors guys, it looks much more interesting. So let's open the texture for ball that my friend already done. So here he used the gradients, and you can see just the blue and white colors, everything easy. And here we can see the gradient in this circle, yeah, and in other circles as well. But as we can see, let's open the null object, we will be able to see the same rotations expressions, yeah, wiggle, wiggle, and wiggle, yeah. And here guys, opening these effects, just copy it from me. So guys, after we done this part, we are going to pre-compose everything, and we will use it in our next composition. So we're going to pre-compose, and now we are going to make a circle. By the way guys, this project file I will leave you in my Discord community, so you will get not only this weird my composition, yeah, that looks really strange, but you will get this gradient ball, I'm sorry, texture ball, yeah, that looks much more better, that I've adjusted much better than me. So guys, we made the shape layer, it's over here, and we are going just to make, I think we will increase it just a little bit, and here we want to put it inside, so we will use track matte to our shape layer number 1. Also guys, you can duplicate your composition, yeah, and you can make different colors in this composition. So for example, I will duplicate this composition, yeah, precomp 51. And here guys, if you will open here, I can duplicate it, and pressing Ctrl plus Alt button on my keyboard, I will move it on this composition, so it's already a separate composition, and we can adjust different colors over here. So for example, it will be even red color, I don't know, any color you want, so we can make it over here. So also let's add some blue color, for example, yeah, maybe even some pink color. So now it looks very bad, yeah, I know, but the main point that you can make different colors for it, you can make a scale, you can adjust the opacity, I don't know, so it will works together, and you will have a lot of different these movements inside your ball, and you will be able to create this ball that we have over here. It looks really cool, and I like it so much. So guys, we can also add the deep glow on our shape layer. Oh no, it looks bad in this case. But if we will copy it, if we will remove the fill, if we will make some stroke for it, just a little bit, and it will be enough, and we will apply this deep glow. So you can see now it's already better, and as I said guys, you will be able to adjust colors much more better than me, and you will be able to make this all better. And now guys, let's move into the next step. We have these really crazy circles, yeah, and I like it so much. So the technique is pretty simple, and we are going to make an ellipse like this. Let it be about 3 pixels and it will be enough. So guys, let's open the 3D options, geometry, and here we are going to make it convex. Here will be about 5, 4.9, 5, never mind. Extrusion depths, let's make it a bit bigger like this. So let's open any layer from here. So for example, here extrusion depth, it's only 7. So let's make the same. Let's make a rotation for it, just to see how it looks. Yeah. Also, let's make guys any similar color for it. So any black color, I think it will be pretty good. And we need also go to the material options. We will turn it off. Here we will make white, and specular shininess we will increase, and it will be like that. I like it so much. It looks really, really cool. Yeah. So by the way, let's set the anchor point to the middle, so it will be easier to adjust the rotation. Yeah, and it will be like that. So guys, here we can see the properties on this main one, circles. Yeah, so it's probably the same that I used in my own one. Yeah, and also guys, let's duplicate this ellipse, and it's pretty easy. All we need, here find the stroke. We will make the stroke width about 23. Yeah, now it looks like this, pretty strange. But also let's make a round cap. Make the dashes here. Let's make the dash 0. Offset. And the gap, we will make the gap like this. Pretty good, but you can also guys change the stroke over here, so make it even less. That's up to you. And now let's make an offset. So expression, default expression, just time multiplied 100, and now it looks like that, and it makes these rotations. You can make different joints over here, so here we can also see this one. So you can, like, yeah, if we increase the dashes, we will increase this amount of these round forms. So that's up to you how you want to make it. And guys, all we need to do just to make the rotation for our circle. Yeah, so it will be like that. Let's open our shape layer, and here we can see the Y rotation expression, wiggle 1. Yeah. And let's make the same, just make an expression. So guys, wiggle 115. Yeah, and now let's see how it looks, but let's make this way. So yeah, it rotates in this way, pretty cool. Yeah guys, I like it so much, really, I do really enjoy it. So guys, you can make a lot of different cool animations, it's just imagination, you can create a lot of different things if you already know these features. Yeah, I like it so much. So you will place here the ball, you can duplicate this one, you can even like, yeah, you can even like duplicate and here just transform, flip horizontal. Even we can just make it in this way, no need to make anything more harder. Yeah, we can also push it a bit back in this way, so it will looks like this. Oh guys, I like it so much. Yeah, it's really crazy. I hope you enjoy it as well. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you and I do really enjoy, and thank you so much for watching. Also this slide, I forgot even to show this slide, but it's pretty easy. You just need to make with your paint tool this just line here, increase it like this, yeah, so maybe even like this, and just make the blur. Probably we can try Fuzzbox and decrease maybe just a bit. So here we just need to make some adjustments for it, and of course we will choose another color. So that's how you can make this light from the top, pretty easy. So guys, I want to ask you, please comment below this video that you really enjoyed and you need more. Just write, I don't know, I need more, and it will be enough for me. Thank you so much once again, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.